Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, but I am back, and don't worry guys, I'll be doing a video soon on why I took a break from YouTube. Anyway guys, thank you guys for my new subscribers, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please hit the subscribe button. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how we did this amazing half up half down pony, so let's get into this. Yeah, so the wig that we're installing today on my beautiful client's hair is our Lasandra unit. Obviously the wig is named after moi, but yes, I made the wig with measurement in mind. So actually this is the first time we're fitting a wig on her head. So I'm just making sure that, you know, it fits perfectly on her head. The glue that I'm using today is Ghost Bond. So that's what I'm going to be using to glue down the unit. I like to do it section by section because I just feel like it just makes it neat rather than applying the glue first and then obviously pushing the wig in front. So I do it step by step. To me, I feel like it works better for me because the end result is neat and you don't really see, like, you know, a lot of like glue residue. So that's the method that I like to use. So what I'm doing is just like step by step and applying the glue little by little. And then I'm just going to press it down with the back of the comb. Once it's done, I'll do the next step. As I said, I like to do it little by little because it just looks good for me. I'm going to be doing that all over her hairline. Once it's glued down, it's time to style. So as I said, we're doing a half up, half pony. So I'm using the Kera Care stick. I'm gonna apply it all over the hair, and then I'm gonna just smooth it all out with a hot comb. I know a lot of people said obviously the wall hot comb is not really hot, but to me it works for me, so it's fine. So I'm just making my ponytail now. I'm going over it, smoothing it all out with the hot comb, just slicking it up because we're going for like a sleek, smooth, high pony with no baby hair. I mean, look at the lace. It is laid, like it looks like it's growing from her scalp. Like, we don't need no baby hair for this one. Once I'm done with the pony, I'm gonna just lay the front down with elastic band while I tongue the back with a Babyliss barrel tongue. Obviously my favorite. We don't want it tight, we just want something. We're going for soft, loose, you know, curl. So I'm taking like big parts of the hair and I'm just tonguing it. I think I've got a video on how I tongue hair. So, I mean, if you haven't watched and you want to learn how to tongue, then I suggest you go on that video and watch so you can see how I tongue hair. Okay, so once I'm done with the back, I still haven't finished with the pony. I'm going to take a small amount from the ponytail and I'm wrapping it around using the olive oil, the Fix spray. Just to add to the finishing touch. It's looking all pretty. Now I'm just going to tongue it. Gonna go over it with, like, you know, all the little bit of extra hair that's hanging. I'm gonna use I use the olive oil again, the spray, just to neaten it up, and I'm just tonguing the hair. Now look at that. We are done. I'm gonna remove the elastic band. Woo, scalp. I'm gonna brush the hair and now look at that. Look at that. What lace. What lace, guys. Like, she is so happy. Now look at that. Amazing. Yes. Look at the wave, look at the color. All done by myself. Thank you for watching.